I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. No, son.